It's midsummer and we have an update for you. This is a lemon tree. Oh man, look at it grow. Take a look, new leaf spread out, maybe a little dry or a little overwater. That's the difference in the color, but it is really big. Maybe it'll flower, maybe it won't. But this is the pineapple. Got one full year of growth. All this just grew here to here. And this will eventually get into a pineapple. But better yet, third generation pepper. Have you ever seen a pepper grow like this? You ever see a pepper that big? Size of my hand. Another pepper, another pepper, another pepper, another pepper. There's like 8 to 10 peppers on here. And it's a red pepper plant. I'm waiting for it to turn. And those are more pepper. They're orange and yellow. Well, I took some lettuce out. I got more pepper going. And I have broccoli. Something's getting to the broccoli. But I got lettuce and more lettuce. But better yet, I got mixtures of tomato. I got Costco tomatoes. I got another store-bought Costco tomato. I got hybrid cherry tomatoes and so forth. These look like cherry tomatoes. This is one of the Costco, and that is another Costco one in the back over there. And all these tomatoes, those are beefsteaks. These are some type of tomatoes, which from Costco, and they are about ready to turn. As you can see over here, they're changing color, and that's where the GoPro shines. Look at the color of them, and they are going to turn red pretty soon. And they're just tomato after tomato after tomato after tomato after tomato. Going to have a lot of tomato. I got broccoli in here, right over here, and it may come out, may flower. And I got tomatoes right here. Look at that. It looks like it's splitting up. A clone tomato or something. Who knows? But there you have. And let's not forget the canna lily from Ohio Fred's family. Oh yeah. Enjoy gardening. That is the Midsummer Gardening Update. Just want to give you an update. Yes indeed, African violet. A delicious apple